Now, as the effects of Hurricane Harvey, again now tropical storm, continue to leave a trail of destruction, the Red Cross is stepping in and they need your help.
Yeah, News 5 Sheila Girardin is joining us live from the local Colorado Springs chapter with ways that we can all get involved in these life-saving efforts. Good morning, Sheila.
Good morning, Bree. Yes, recovery efforts are already underway. In fact, dozens of volunteers from the Red Cross right here in Colorado are already on the ground in Texas, helping the countless families in need of our support. Now, those recovery efforts are expected to take years, and the Red Cross is already recruiting volunteers to train who can relieve the volunteers currently hard at work in Texas. Those volunteers are working around the clock to provide both shelter and comfort to folks impacted by the storm. For now, the Red Cross is also in need of money.
Anything that people can do to help us as the Red Cross, help them, is going to do well.
Today, your impact can go twice as far. That's thanks to 7-Eleven. All donations made to Red Cross Hurricane Harvey recovery efforts will be matched dollar for dollar up to $150,000. And there are many ways for you to donate. You can go ahead and text the word Harvey to 90999 to add $10 to your cell phone bill, or you can donate blood at any Bond Fee Center across the state of Colorado. And we're going to have that info for you up on our website, KOAA.com. For now, watching out for you in Colorado Springs, Sheila Girardin, News 5.